Crypto Kip. Today we got a lot of exciting things happening in the crypto.com community for the Crow fam out there. And overall, the crypto markets are looking absolutely beautiful. Well, Gary Gensler continues to put on his face paint in the shape of a clown. That is right, guys. And Coinbase is now calling him out publicly. We'll talk about that new battle that's going to, well, not really a new battle, but growing battle, heated tension between Coinbase and the SEC's Gary Gensler. Will Gary Gensler keep his job? We'll talk a little bit about that. Also, we got to start looking ahead at a couple things that are coming up. One, we just had a couple partnerships. Two, one with Samsung, and we had some other ones come out as of recently. One with Amazon, which is absolutely massive, folks. Very exciting. We saw a lot of good price action on the back of some of that news. And Chris Marziak seems to be getting a little more active on Twitter. I think there's a lot of things to start getting excited about for not only Crow Coin, but the entire crypto market. But we're definitely going to focus in on Crow today because I'm seeing something on these charts that I'm getting really, really excited about. Something I've been talking about for a very long time, specifically for Crow. And not just Crow versus Bitcoin, but Crow in its US dollar chart looks like it might want to break out, and these partnerships could be helping, folks. Let's talk about it all. Get into another live stream. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Texas Crypto, Francisco Gabriel, Benny Blue Eyes, Tej. We got the crew. Super Zan. Welcome, 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 guys. Good to be back with another stream. Brian out of the gates asking when $10 Crow. I hope soon, my friend. I hope soon, my friends. We would love to get there in this bull market. Smash up the like, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get in to it today. Very exciting times. Look at this chat already getting started. So let's get into the content. If you don't know, guys, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel. We are at 8,600 subscribers or so. So we're getting close. Hopefully you got a shot at that giveaway, guys. So make sure you subscribe. And if you're not making money there, you might be making money in the crypto markets right now because we're over a $1.2 trillion market cap. Again, Bitcoin dominance is back up to 47%. That means all the money that's in crypto, 47% of the money that's invested in crypto is invested in Bitcoin. Ethereum dominance is looking pretty strong at 19% right now. It's just so crazy to think that only 2 days ago, this was at 27,500, absolute blast off. We pretty much predicted this, and just a minute ago, this thing was above $30,000, which is fantastic. Love to see Ethereum obviously get back above 2K as well. But let's look at our friend Chronos right now, which is currently at rank number 34, up 10% over the last 7 days to a $1.9 billion market cap. Look at how quickly money can flow into a coin like Chronos, only at $1.9 billion market cap. We were just at $1.7 billion market cap. If we do really get that overall market cap, guys, of $10 to $20 trillion in the next bull market, you're really talking about substantial upside. We were at $3 trillion in the last bull market. Trillions flow, and then billions come to other altcoins like Chronos. It's so exciting. And one of the key things is these partnerships, guys, which I'm so excited about. What I couldn't believe too, and you know, guys, Blacksy and I have been talking a lot about this. We really hope, as the bull market comes, maybe Chronos has been waiting, Crypto.com has been waiting to give us a heads up on some of these partnerships, to announce these partnerships. Maybe they were waiting for volume to have the desire to come back into the crypto markets. When crypto starts getting attractive again, maybe they held off on some of these announcements. But one thing's for sure, if they keep doing this many announcements, and keep in mind, guys, they have a metaverse launching this quarter in the next month or two. That is coming out, guys. They are going to launch a main city metaverse for the Loaded Lion community. There's all these different things happening, and the timing is beautiful. The timing's beautiful. And regardless if it's Chronos or other altcoins, there's just so many partnerships that I think a lot of companies have been waiting on, building during this bear market. And that's why we're not only getting back to a $3 trillion market cap, folks, but I believe in the future, maybe even a $20 trillion market cap in this next bull market. But look at this beautiful bouncing action out of Bitcoin. And I'll look at the Crow chart in a second. But look at this beautiful, beautiful action on Bitcoin right now. These channels I've had drawn for months and months and months and months. You got back to the November FTX collapse. We called bottom on the channel. Super proud of it. I do still believe that is bottom. Some people were panicking for a 25K Bitcoin. I thought it was possible. It's still possible, but it looks like for now we're still moving up. We pretty much had a bounce off this blue line, which is fantastic. I'm looking for that 32K Bitcoin soon, maybe in the next week or two, possibly coming off the back of the next FOMC meeting that's coming next week. And for Chronos, which is absolutely doing well right now, we've got the burn vote coming out, which is going to be fantastic. You got an Amazon partnership, you got a Samsung partnership, you got a Chronos burn vote coming out, and the volatility of the FOMC meeting and an end of a month. There's so many things that are converging on this moment as Chronos is breaking out above this blue line, which has just been coming down and to the side for a while, and now we are finally trying to scoop up. We're not out of the woods yet, guys, but if we can get to 8.7 cents, really break above this 9.5 cents, I'm looking for our move back to fair value pre-FTX collapse, guys. And here's the thing. We are patient. We are waiting, guys. We have been waiting and waiting and waiting. We've been accumulating during this bear market. Let's just zoom out a little bit. So here you go, all the way back from November of 2021 and almost 2 years, going on a year and a half, guys, we've just been coming down. If you've been buying this entire time, then maybe you're still actually in the negative, a lot of downside. But if you've been buying back to these days, maybe you're about even, hopefully a little bit up. I was buying back in late 2018, early 2019, when it was, back on, I think it was under 4 cents back at that time. That was a lot of fun, and I even bought some over at the peak. But I'm not scared about this project, guys, because look at these partnerships that are coming out. And lately, we've been a little bit fearful of the Chronos versus Bitcoin chart. Everybody's been feeling a little bit impatient with Chronos and the price action. But here we go, scooping up in a big way against Bitcoin. And I'm looking, it's so good that it almost hit this blue line. I'd love to see it break out above this, move against Bitcoin, get a little bit of an altcoin rally. I don't think we're in a true altcoin season yet, but the partnerships, which we'll talk about in a second, are certainly going to be positive. Yosef asking, why is Crocoin still asleep? I'm going to take that one as sarcasm today. We are just waking up. Oscar Ramos in the house. Good to have you, Oscar. Fantastic YouTube channel as well. We got Crowfits. We got the whole Crow fam. You know what? I wouldn't be surprised if Gold Pony Crypto hopped in here as well. I love this crypto community. I want to do a lot more collabs with the Chronos team out there. Oscar's doing a fantastic job. Got an interview coming out with somebody actually on the Chronos team, one of the leaders of the Chronos chain, which is fantastic. And that's what I love to see out of this community. These partnerships, these influencers on YouTube, which, by the way, I don't think Oscar's a paid sponsor for Crypto.com. I'm not certainly paid. People sometimes think, how much does Crypto.com pay you guys? They don't. Maybe you get money off referral links, but that's like nothing. It's like $5 a person or something like that. And really the point is we just see the vision for this future. We see what Chris Marsliak and the Crypto.com, the Chronos Labs team have been building with their accelerator programs, with these partnerships. We're due, guys. We are due. It's very, very exciting. Smash up the like button, guys. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. We got Oscar Ramos in the house. Ron Wilson, good to have you. Good to have you, guys. But look at this chart. Crow versus Bitcoin. We are ready for a bull market. We're not out of the woods yet, guys, but there's some positive things coming. We'll get back to Crypto.com in a second. I want to talk about a little Bitcoin news. Now, yesterday, you saw, obviously, Chronos, Crypto.com coin move up. So was Bitcoin, and we had a fantastic morning. All of a sudden, we went from $27,500 2 days ago to $29,500 yesterday. But then we had a crash, a panic crash. Why? Well, there was a Twitter account that basically reported that, red alert, Mt. Gox whales are going to sell. Well, it turns out this group called Matrix Port ended up looking into, what would be the effects of if these Mt. Gox repayments, everybody sold, everybody that got repaid from this Mt. Gox early crypto exchange failure. What if they all got repaid in crypto? Would they sell? Would it cause a huge crypto crash? Maybe a little bit of a downward move, but I think the worst part about it is the fear. So guys, don't be fearful on a story like this, because honestly, this Mt. Gox story, it was a fake tweet. It was an accident. It was an error in what they had going on, and the company ended up correcting it. But don't be fearful. That is going to happen. There's a lot of volatility. you had a lot of liquidations, moves up, shorts got liquidated, a move back down, longs got liquidated, and then now we're back right up. So shorts got liquidated again. Right now, on top of everything that's going on, guys, Gary Gensler is getting more flack than ever before. There's a new video that's viral about Mr. Gary Gensler linking crypto to cash. He kind of talks about crypto being cash. I'm going to play this little clip for you guys just so you kind of get an idea. But here is the clip of Gary Gensler. Take a listen to this really quick. Let me make sure I got my audio correct for you guys. All right. Yeah, let's listen to Gary Gensler a little bit here on Twitter and hear kind of what he has to say about it. 1 second.
So we already know in the U.S. and in many other jurisdictions that 3/4 of the market are not ICOs or not what would be called securities. Even in the U.S., Canada, and Taiwan, the 3 jurisdictions that follow something similar to the Howey test.
Not securities.
That we've talked about. 3/4 of the market is non-securities. It's just a commodity, a cash crypto. So you'll hear debates about initial coin offerings and what's a security and what's not a security. Relevant and important debate. But for 3/4 of the market, it's not particularly relevant as a legal matter.
Boom, not relevant as a legal matter. Then what the heck are you doing, Gary Gensler? This man is losing in court in a big way, and Coinbase is now firing back. Brian Armstrong and his squad offered a fiery response to the SEC's threat of enforcement. Gary the Rat, Crowfit says, Gensler is a joke. The chat hates Gary Gensler, and I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more, folks. Coinbase, ever since they received the Wells notice, it really seems like they fire up. They're lashing out at the SEC because clearly the SEC has been trying to lash out at them. Here's a little quote for you. Crypto exchange Coinbase told the SEC that any enforcement action against the exchange would fail on merits and would present major risks to the SEC's regulatory model. And I mean, really, you can look at that video and listen to the words that Gary Gensler just said. You just saw it, folks. And he's back and forth. He gets in front of, a committee, and he basically commits perjury in front of this hearing the other day. Towards the beginning of this month, he was getting grilled on the Hill. Had no good answers. Wouldn't clarify whether crypto was a security or not. This is just awesome to see. I think Coinbase might be the one to take him down because the truth is, guys, Coinbase's response is Coinbase does not list, clear, or affect in trading securities. And also said, at the time when Coinbase went public, we had detailed discussions with the SEC about the very aspects of our business that are now, 2 years later, the subject of a Wells notice. Nothing has changed. Why is Gary Gensler changing? The answer, guys, is because Gary Gensler and the SEC got caught with their pants down, talking behind closed doors with FTX's CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried. And that man is going to court on October, probably going to jail for a very long time, and he should. And they were meeting in backroom dealings, essentially. And by the way, we know that Sam Bankman-Fried bribed members of the United States Congress. And do you expect me to believe the message that's going on right now saying that the U.S. is pointing a gun at crypto? I think the U.S. politicians might be looking at an opportunity to get some more investors in their campaigns, to be honest with you. Look what Sam Bankman-Fried did, and look at the positioning that Coinbase has right now. They've got a lot of pro-crypto people in Congress, in the Senate. There's a lot of anti-crypto people as well. The SEC is certainly an anti-crypto entity, or so it seems right now. But frankly, guys, I wouldn't be surprised to see if Gary Gensler lost his job. Look at the quotes. Look at the truth here. Nothing changed since their original ICO. And you do see some of the other thoughts out here. Gary Gensler, right after we hear this fire response back from Coinbase, SEC's Gary Gensler has the nerve to double down, get back in there, creating an educational video saying there's a systematic lack of compliance in the digital asset sector, when he literally just said that it's not really a big deal legal matter. Look at his video from 2018. We just watched it. What an incredible time. What an incredible time, guys. Basically, he's a marionette, a puppet, pulling his strings. Yeah, I mean, maybe. And some people say, and now I'll put on my little tinfoil hat again. I wish Black Sea was here to do it with me. But, we are looking at maybe an opportunity for Gary Gensler where he's siding with China. Is this what's going on? Is he pushing crypto companies out of the U.S. for a reason? Is he making money? Like, these are things that people are starting to talk about. Those are conspiracies for now. But is it really far-fetched? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I love this. The Crow Army is rocking in the chat, guys. But some people, myself included, and look at this crypto.com ad. NFTs, you see loaded. Look at this. I didn't even prop this up. We got the crypto.com ad popping up on CoinDesk. This is another bullish thing for crypto.com for crows. So smash up the like button for that right there. Coinbase, to some, seems to be one of the best investments over the next 5 years. You got some venture capital folks, Adam Draper specifically, talking on stage, about how excited he is about Coinbase as an investment. I got to acknowledge, guys, I'm really bullish on crypto.com, obviously. I'm so bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish as we have a bull run coming. It's all about the Bitcoin halving. But there's a lot of good investments to be had in the traditional market for traditional assets that give you exposure to Bitcoin. The Bitcoin mining stocks, maybe a Riot Platforms, a Coinbase most certainly. There's a lot of great companies out there. You could argue NVIDIA, the chip maker, though maybe they don't want to make as many chips in the future, though I think, NVIDIA is one of the lead chip makers for mining. But there's a lot of good plays out there. I just certainly think that watching Coinbase lead the charge in court against SEC, obviously Ripple's been in it for a while, but I think Coinbase is a little more notoriety, a little bit of a bigger name. Come at me, XRP Army, Ripple Army, if you disagree, but Coinbase is obviously huge. You used to buy your Ripple there when they listed it. But I do believe that, this is true. I bet on Coinbase over the SEC. I say, who goes away first, Gary Gensler or Coinbase? It's Gary Gensler, folks. It's absolutely Gary Gensler. Let me know what you think down below. By the way, guys, if you do want to ask any questions, leave me a super chat. Ask me questions. If you like the content, you warm up our hearts when you smash the like button. It helps in the YouTube algorithm. Hit the notification bell, guys. Every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, me and usually Black Sea, we're doing a live stream for you guys, 5 videos every single day. Why? Because we're excited about the bull market. We've got Standard Chartered Bank talking about $100,000 Bitcoin in the crypto winters finally over. Don't believe the FUD, guys. If you've been buying the dips, if you've been buying after your FTX collapse, then you're in good shape. You're getting ready to make some money, guys. But let's get back into Crow. So 2 days ago, Crow Army, we had a 13% pump. It was beautiful, following a partnership between Amazon and Chronos. This was so exciting to see, guys. I really didn't see it coming, I'll be honest with you. But Amazon and Chronos, so Amazon Web Services, I talked about it in my video yesterday. They're offering their cloud. That involves AI tools. That involves a heck of a lot of tools for builders, developers to get attracted to the Chronos ecosystem. Come in. This is in partnership with the Chronos Labs Accelerator Program. They are incentivizing builders as they're releasing more news. They've got the F1 racing. They've got all these different partnerships from MMA fighting, all these different things, guys. And now they got this launching, attracting developers. This is what we need to see. We've got a metaverse launching. We've got all these things coming. Amazon and Chronos. And now today, not only did they tell us about this Amazon Web Services partnership yesterday, then today they come out with this massive conversation as well, partnering with tech giant Samsung. This is on a phone. This is on their new trifold or bifold phone, which is very exciting. Really cool to see. It's the Galaxy S10 smartphone. It's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series. And what Crypto.com did, guys, is they ended up building their a custom version of their app specifically for Samsung users to enjoy a more Web3 tailored experience on the Crypto.com app. How's that for forward thinking? The only other thing I've heard out there right now when it comes to partnerships with phones is Solana is actually coming out with its own Solana phone. Other than that, this is really the only other integration with phones I've heard from some big crypto chains, crypto companies even. So this is another huge thing, guys. And you saw another pump for CRO today. At one point this morning, Black Sea did a video, called it out exactly. Almost every coin was red except for CRO, which was up like another 6 or 7% this morning and still doing spectacular right now, trading sideways today. But I'm so excited for, this is it. Look at this marketing they get to do. We collaborated with Samsung. Now they're tweeting about it. They're getting more engagement on their Twitter. Look at the Crow fam getting excited on Twitter. And of course, Chris Marszalek pinned this as his tweet. Proud and excited to be working with Samsung to drive global crypto adoption together. They want to bring the next billion users to crypto. Well, partnering with Samsung, one of the biggest competitors to the iPhone, is huge, especially in Asian markets. And what do we see right now, folks? We obviously see a big push in Hong Kong, in China right now for cryptocurrency, especially as Gary Gensler is greasing the wheels on regulation here in the US and trying to cause some fear and panic. Just great to see Crypto.com diversifying into another market. And just Chris Marszalek's getting more and more involved on Twitter and up. This collaboration, here's a quote from the COO of Crypto.com. This collaboration with Samsung will allow users to experience our app like never before. So this is very cool. And guys, I don't have a Samsung. I have an iPhone. So please, please, please let me know if you have a Samsung, what this experience is like for you if you do get the Z Fold phone. I'm very, very curious. Right now, 80 million customers worldwide for Crypto.com. This is an argument to be made. This could onboard a lot of new users. Even if it's gimmicky, even if it's not like a crazy unique experience, it's making headlines, it's making news. 2 big headlines in a row. And don't forget, guys, we have the Chronos burn coming up. Guys, smash up the like button. It is crazy. We have a Chronos burn coming up on May 2nd. This is insane. They're going to build 100 million CRO, which there's 30 billion CRO or so, guys. So it's not crazy, but it is going to bring the inflation on CRO down like 0.4%, which kind of brings it in line with some other projects. So this is great to see. We really want to see more burns, and there's a debate out there. Some of the validators don't like this, but guys, give me partnerships, 2 partnerships back to back coming a week after a conversation about a CRO burn proposal where we're voting. Talk about getting traction. And then you also continue to look on what's going on Chris Marszalek's Twitter. He's retweeting this. You saw Crypto.com's Travis McGee tell CoinDesk the state of the derivative markets is strong. He's reporting on the derivative markets right now in the US. Why? Why is Crypto.com being looked at as a leader in terms of derivative markets in the US? Because, guys, they did a great job, fantastic job, some forward thinking in acquiring a CFTC regulated product called, I think it's called Nadex. Correct me in the chat if I'm wrong. I think it's called Nadex. It's been a while since I looked at the name of that one, but they took over a company, and I believe that he actually used to run this company that they took over, and now he's essentially one of the spokespersons for Crypto.com talking about the path forward in the U.S. when it comes to derivatives offerings in terms of crypto derivatives offerings in the U.S. They've only offer right now, it's the up and down options thing on the Crypto.com app, only Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm curious to see in this next bull market, guys, what other coins they offer as well. So look at all these different things. And on top of it, you have the F1 racing event, the Miami Grand Prix that's coming up. Chris Marszalek, again, tweeting on his Twitter that he is excited. This is really, really cool to see all these different sponsorships, all these different things going on for this project, guys. So the burn is coming out on May 3rd. Remember, guys, we obviously have the metaverse launch coming for Crypto.com. You got these partnerships. We'll see what else comes. But the other big thing you got to be looking about in the crypto space is the next FOMC meeting. I don't see a lot of people talking about this right now, guys. I don't see a lot of people talking about this right now. But the FOMC meeting could be a relatively quiet affair, some people say. I don't think so. I disagree with this publication because when you do look at the data, it does show that 87.4% of people expect an interest rate hike in this article, they're trying to say it's going to be a relatively quiet affair because they think the Fed's going to hold strong. I disagree. I do think that the Fed is actually going to end up probably raising the rates again. It's really not great, especially as they do have banks starting to fail. You know, there's banks starting to fail in the U.S. We don't love to see that. So this is something that is coming up, guys, and you got to be aware of it. But I want to share that with you guys. And this meeting, guys, is coming up at the very beginning of May. So be on the lookout for that. And do expect a lot of volatility around this event, folks. Expect a lot of volatility. You know, we had some pretty big liquidations recently, $262 million worth of longs liquidated just a couple days ago. And then another 189 million liquidated. I think that was the big scare with the Mt. Gox. When we have the next FOMC meeting, I expect some big liquidations, some huge volatility, guys, coming around Federal Chair Jerome Powell speaking. But let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below as well, guys. So feeling pretty good right now. Looking at the overall crypto market again, guys, you know, there's a lot to be excited about. Brandy Alliance saying Solana and Helium partnership. Yeah, that's a pretty exciting one. I think Solana is really doing a great thing. Oh, we got Gold Pony Crypto in the house too. Look at this. We got the whole Crow fam here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Johnny's sitting there with a fat crow bag enjoying the gains today. I absolutely love to see it. Pistol Pete's asking, can somebody explain why the price won't go up? Well, Pistol Pete, I mean, let's look at it, you know, guys. I mean, patience is definitely a virtue, guys. You look at the last 7 days. Here's Bitcoin, 4.25%. Look at some of these other coins. A lot of them red. Nothing really bigger than 4.25%. Now I'm in the 30 rank. And now you see Chronos at 10.51%, guys. Let's look at the biggest gainers in the last 7 days. There you go. There you go right there. The biggest gainers in the last 7 days. Chronos is number 4. This is fantastic to see. So, you know, you say, why isn't it going up? I think it's finally starting to go up. You know, let's look back too, and I'll show you guys this. Let's look back at what's going on. I mean, it's breaking out versus Bitcoin, which is fantastic. Here you go, Crow versus Bitcoin. Looking really awesome right now. Just see us break above this blue line, hopefully. You look at Crow versus the USD coin, US dollar. Look at this, guys. It is moving up. And if we can get this weekly candle closed, this thick body of this candle above this blue line, I'm optimistic, guys. I'm very optimistic that we get back up to this, you know, 8.7 cent level. You know, you got 100,000 Crow out there and you get back to a 10-cent Crow. Well, congratulations, guys. You know, you just turned 7 grand into 10 grand, and you know, there's going to be a lot more gains ahead. I mean, I expect not only a $1 Crow, but a $3 to $5 Crow in the next bull market. You know, I had earlier in the chat, somebody mentioned, can we get a $10 Crow coin? Absolutely. I mean, I think it's possible. If we get a $20 trillion market cap, we could certainly get a $10 Crow coin. I don't know if that happens in the next bull market. But again, like, look at all these partnerships, guys. Look at everything going on in the crypto market. I'll pull up the overall total market cap for crypto as well. Let me know, guys, if you guys have any questions. I'm kind of going into the Q&A portion of the video now. I want you guys to kind of let me know what you're thinking. I'm very curious how everybody's mindset is out there right now. But guys, I mean, if you zoom out and you look at the overall crypto market, you know, we go up into the right over time. This really does become possible. You know, 20-something trillion dollars. Billions of dollars are going to flow into these alts, guys. It's so exciting. I'm so excited. A lot of people in the chat right now with 100,000 Crow coin. I'm sorry, by the way, guys. I have not. Yeah, Juan Alvarez, hit the like button, folks. Appreciate it, Juan. Thanks for the support. A lot of people with 100,000 Crow coins. Now, I'm sorry, guys. I have never told you guys how many Crow coins I have. You know, I got a little bit of a public presence. I'm a little bit shy. It tells you I don't have only a little. I got a little bit. You know, I like to keep it a little mystery. I will tell you guys, especially as I start taking profits, I'll get into it. But we are buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chronos. I'm excited. Yeah, about Solana. I got some Solana NFTs. I got the Loaded Lions NFTs right now I'm very excited about. Matter of fact, I'm going to actually, for you guys, let's take a peek at the crypto.com NFT marketplace and just get a little update on what's going on with that right now, because we gotta check it out. We're gonna check it out. So let's see what we got right now. Because these Loaded Lions, guys, if you don't already know this and you're new to the Loaded Lion space, a Loaded Lion is essentially a booster in the main city metaverse that crypto.com is launching soon. And right now the floor price is way down on these things, down to 1.3K. To give you guys some perspective, around right around, let's say, probably November or December, I bought my first Loaded Lion for like $2,500. I got a Viking helmet, Loaded Lion. We bought a second one. We're doing a giveaway at 25,000 subscribers on the channel. We're giving away a Loaded Lion. We bought worth about $2,000, probably valued at about 1.5K right now, maybe 1.3 around floor price possibly. But I'm very excited about this, and I do think when the metaverse launches, there might be a big opportunity in this project as well. Cyber Cubs are also getting kind of exciting, but if you do look at the crypto.com land sale prices, if you're curious about what's going on with the first frontier, this is really great to see. The floor price is up to $53, so it's actually spiking a little bit right now, which is great to see. Those were really below $50 for a while. If you look at the most rare piece of land, it's $3,500, kind of been trading sideways. Get rid of the first 7. The floor price is maybe right around 4K right now. So this is doing pretty well, but came after a little bit of a sloppy entrance. Call it a sloppy dive into the pool of NFTs, if you will, when they did this mint. So that was unfortunate. But let me know in the comments down below how many, NFTs you got. Francisco Gabriel with 2 Cubs. Very, very cool to see that. I'm very excited for this, guys. I'm going to be peeking out in the chat too. I'm very curious what kind of questions you guys got for me today. Might be a little bit of a shorter live stream if you guys don't. Got my updates going. Rashid is asking me, when will Crow go over 10 cents? I'll tell you, Rashid, I wouldn't be surprised to see Crow go over 10 cents, in a hurry. I mean, it's a 25% gain. We had, put into perspective, a 10.44% gain in 7 days. That's in a week. So you could have a 25% gain for Chronos. I'll tell you what, though, you're going to need to see a couple things happen. One, the Crow burn's going to need to happen. These partnership announcements are certainly spectacular. We're going to need to see that weekly candle close above that blue trend line I just showed you guys in the Chronos chart. We're also going to need to see crypto overall move up after the FOMC meeting, and hopefully that does not end up hurting the Crow coin performance. If Bitcoin goes down, then it might end up hurting the Crow coin performance. So we'll have to see. Let me see here. Nice little dodge I did there. You said you were in the presence of, you never mentioned how much Crow you got. Yeah, I never. Oh yeah, you see me. He wants to know how many Crow coins I have. It's looking good, boys. I'll tell you. I will let you guys know. I will let you know. The suspense, it's got to be fun, it's got to be, I got to keep something interesting. We got to keep a little bit of a mystery. But Crypto Keeper saying May 2nd will tell all. Yeah, May 2nd, the burn's going to be really cool. I mean, if they vote to do the burn, I wouldn't be surprised to see another 10% pump, guys. And that would be absolutely spectacular. Brian saying the Crow day chart looks like it's ready to break. Do you think that it's breaking up or down? Because I'll tell you, I look at the Crow chart and I'm feeling a little upward, to be honest with you. It's a little sideways. So, we kind of got our announcement pump. We got a big pump from the announcement. Good to see they kind of brought back the interactive chart on CoinMarketCap for Crow. They had that gone for a while. But yeah, I mean, this is looking nice. And if this red candle can turn green, look at these red candles, or these green candles in a row. 1, 2, 3 daily candles in a row. I mean, look at this, guys. This was one day. Boom. That's a 10% pump. That's incredible. You look at here as well. You have another 17% move. Guys, that is absolutely incredible. So these are very exciting times for Crow. I'm pumped, guys. I am pumped. Yeah, Crypto Keeper, I appreciate respecting the privacy. I love it though, guys. Grill me. I want to do it. With all my heart, I want to tell you guys, how many Crow I got. I'm staking. We're having a good time. But it's not a competition, guys. Really, it's not, because the truth is we're all in this together. There's so much money to be made in this market, and it's not just Chronos, and there's definitely, let's look at some of these meme tokens. So these meme tokens have been going wild lately. Pepe has definitely got me interested. Oh, look at Pepe today. Oh my goodness. Absolutely moving upward. Pretty crazy to see the moves on this right here, looking at the hours. So it's been doing pretty well, guys. Very new project. I think there's something to be said about some of these meme coins. Shiba Inu, really big market cap. Everybody wants $1 Shiba Inu. I don't know how possible that is. Everybody wants $1 Doge. That's certainly possible in my opinion, especially if Elon Musk does a partnership, guys. Shout out to Crypto Pete, up to 880,000 Crow. Absolutely beautiful. Get to that million Crow. Smash up the like button for Crypto Pete, guys. That is awesome. That is great. $1 million Crow bag. If you have $1 million Crow bag and you get to $1, congratulations. You, my friend, will be a Crow millionaire, and maybe you're already a millionaire. So, congrats on that. That would be absolutely excellent. Yeah, guys, and I'll tell you, I do expect quite a bit of upward move. Maybe some meme coins in the next bull market. Angel Light likes some Dogecoin. Let's take a peek at Dogecoin and see how Doji is doing for us today. Let's take a peek at it real quick. Dogelon Mars. Anybody out there got some Dogelon Mars coin? Looking at the year to date. Dogecoin, look at this. Here was an Elon Musk day. Boom, Elon Musk. Probably this was, I bet you, when Elon Musk changed the profile, Twitter profile to the Dogecoin doggy. Crypto Pete saying he built his bag at 3 cents. Absolutely incredible. Kudos to you, my friend. You know what? Let me hit you with a Crow fam emoji right there. Boom. Absolutely awesome to see. Absolutely awesome to see. Yeah, I do think that there's going to be a lot of upside for Doge. I mean, look at its previous all-time high. It was really crazy what happened. For those of you guys that don't know, this was kind of the Saturday Night Live top. Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live. Everybody thought Dogecoin was going to $1. As soon as he got off Saturday Night Live, boop, came back down. I was in Doge on this. I probably sold a little too late. I sold probably on this rebound right here, so made some good money because I bought in right at this breakout, actually. I bought into Doge in the last bull market right at this breakout and sold it right up here. So I had a nice little flip last bull market. I move in and out of Doge, guys. That's my strategy, not financial advice whatsoever. But I like to move in and out of the meme coins because they have a lot of upside. But when they fall, oh yeah, they fall off a cliff. They absolutely fall off a cliff. Let me know what else are you guys looking out there? What about Cyber Cups? It will be in Metaverse too. Absolutely. The Cyber Cubs will be in the Metaverse. Let's see what else we got over here in the chat. Alive with the crypto. Yeah, Francisco Gabriel asking, alive with Gold Pony Crypto and Oscar Ramos would be so cool. I think we did that one actually one time, Francisco. Look back at some of the previous lives. We did a live with Oscar at least once. We definitely did 1 or 2 collabs with Gold Pony as well. I'd love to do another one with you, Gold Pony. Why don't you DM us on Twitter? Let's get one going, actually. You inspired me, Francisco. I'm going to talk to Black Sea tonight. Wishing he could be with us, by the way, but we should get another collaboration going, guys. Just kind of keep this party happening in the Chronos space. Johnny's saying, I don't care about any of these clowns talking smack about crypto like this Gensler guy. I just get my Crow bag. End of story. That's it. Shake off the FUD, shake off the fear, guys. Smash up the like button. Let me know what other questions you guys got. I'm just so excited I love these live streams, guys. I love the conversation we got going on in this Crow family. this community has been really impressive. I mean, the amount of times that I've seen crypto.com trending on Twitter, CrowFam going off on Twitter. I got to get on Twitter a little bit more. It's tough to keep up. It moves so fast, but that really is the best place to get news, guys. And then we're doing these videos every single day. We do 5 a day, and then we do live streams every Tuesday, Thursday. So hit the notification bell if you guys haven't done so already on that one. And also for all you guys that are newer to the channel, we are giving away a loaded line at 25,000 subscribers. Gold Pony Crypto saying CrowFam is the best for sure. I'm so excited. Alpha, shout out to Alpha, Island Thunder on Twitter. He's an absolutely spectacular host for his Twitter space. If you guys haven't checked that out, check him out on Twitter. I'd love to get him on the channel as well. We've had Texas Hodl Crow, who's got a lot of loaded lines on the channel. I talked with Crypto Diamond a little bit in the chat. It's been a while, but this community is so welcoming. You know, if you guys haven't done so already, if you haven't bought a loaded line or you haven't looked into it, you know, if you do, you will get so much love on Twitter. You know, put it as your profile pic. Everybody will welcome you to the pride. And I think when the metaverse launches, people are going to be more and more excited. Samuel Wilson saying Crow's breaking out again. Well, let's check it out, Samuel. Let's check it out, Samuel. I'd love to see a Crow break out again. Oh, baby. Look at that. We got another percentage gains. Here we go. Look at it. Oh, yeah. Now we're just going to watch it. Oh, finally. Beautiful. I love it. Let's go to TradingView. Let's go to TradingView, guys. We'll go over to TradingView. Yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Crypto Pete, you're liking that million bag stack on a pump like this. This is beautiful right now, guys. Look at this weekly candle for Chronos, everybody. Look at from the bottom of this candle to the top. Oh, my goodness. Bottom of this candle to the top. 23.24% right now. Because that's the open. Let's see what the open was. Let's go from the open. Let's look at the body of this candle. Boom. 13.77%. Crow is moving up, guys. 7.7 cents. Oh, this is awesome. Wouldn't it be great, guys? Let's go down to the daily candles. I never go to the daily candles. This is so fun. Hey, look at it, guys. We've got these candles going on a live stream. This is awesome. You know, I've been doing these live streams during the bear market, but guys, smash up the like button. Let me know some questions as we watch this Crow pump. Look at it. Do you think we can get up to 8.6 cents in the next 1 or 2 days, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Man, look at the size of the candle from yesterday for Crow. That was as much of a, from bottom to the top, a 15% volatility move yesterday. These are the daily candles we're looking at. Right now on the day, 2% only, 2%. I think we could see another 10. I don't know. I mean, all this news, guys, going. Francisco Gabriel's looking for 8 cents. Anybody that tells you they absolutely know where the price is going would be lying. But I'll tell you, Francisco, I like the taste of 8 cents. I think that could happen. Tej saying 8 cents in the next 12 hours, please. Yeah, let me get an 8.5 cent. Let's get up to this yellow trend line. Guys, I'm not the best chart crafter. You know, I really have been getting more into this charting, so I really hope you do like the charts. But I'll tell you, I've been super happy with the performance on these charts that I've drawn on Crow, on Bitcoin. I think that there's really something to this right now, and I'd love to see if we can just hang on to this weekly candle. What are we at right now? It's Thursday. Sunday, this weekly candle will close. GVC's looking for 10 cents or more, especially with the May 2nd burn. That would be spectacular. That would be absolutely spectacular. It wouldn't surprise me at all. I've been saying, you know, look at this candle, guys. Look at this. So this was your FTX collapse. And we had a week, 1 week, where Crow fell over 50%. You know, look at the body of the candle. It was like 43.85% crash for Crow. I want to argue. I'm not going to, die on this hill. I'm not going to say this is going to happen. This is not financial advice, but I want to argue that for Crow to be able to have that move and just kind of have another candle back up, just kind of a W pattern back up to this green line, 87.4%, right? 5.5 cent. It's like a 6 cent move. I don't think it's impossible. Do you guys feel optimistic about a 2x that fast? Because I certainly look at a big red candle like this, and then also look in the past and see some of these other candles we've had for Crow on days. You know, we get into a bull market, guys, and we can have some really big green candle. Here's a weekly candle for you that's absolutely massive. We've had a boom. This is like a 57% weekly gain candle back in February of 2021. This isn't even the crypto.com arena announcement. A 37% weekly gain candle after that. And then you have the crypto.com arena news, and wait for all the other partnerships. 68% weekly candle. I remember that, guys. I was out in the stand hunting for a deer with my father, and I was just watching face melting gains for Chronos, like going past 75 cents. And I was just like sitting in a deer stand trying to pay attention to this hunt and just like feeling the little vibration in my pocket, watching this coin pump up. 68% weekly gains. So something like that's certainly possible, guys. So hang in there, get excited, put it out there. Yeah, I'm very, very excited. Ron Wilson's guessing you must be at least the 1 million Crow Club with a smile on, with that smile on your face. I love the guess, Ron Wilson. It's a good guess. It's a good guess. I'm not saying anything. Samuel Wilson wants to be in the $1 Million Crow Club. Red Dragon says 10 cents. Everybody's saying 10 cents tomorrow. Francisco Gabriel laughing. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'd love to see it. What a fun live stream. What a fun live stream. Crow's still moving up. Let's go down to let's get in it. Let's go to the hourly candles here. Let's see what we got going on. Boom. We had oh, look at this, guys. Look at these hourly candles right now. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is gorgeous. What is this in a move? This is a 2% move in an hour. That's unbelievable to think about. That is unbelievable to think about. Millions of dollars in minutes. So excited. Not even the bull market. GVC asking, any word on MMF? No, I don't have any word on MMF right now. I'll tell you, it's a pretty cool project. I think that those Meerkat NFTs are pretty neat, and they're definitely going for a decent penny. People say there was a little scandal with MMF. I'm going to give them another chance in the next bull market. I think, at one point it was the top project on the Chronos chain. Chronos is only 2 years old, so it's not even 2 years old, and it was launched in November 2021. So the Chronos Labs team's still putting more money behind other projects. It's hard to say exactly, and here's Crow moving again. Here we go. It's hard to say exactly what will be the biggest gainer in the next bull market. Brandy Lion saying, yeah, what's up with MMF? Did I hear something about a new partnership? Let's check it out real quick. Did we get a MMF partnership? Let's check it out. What's going on with MMF right now? Let's see how it's going. MMF Chrono V3 Dex. This is the Chronos MMF. Hi, bro. We are behind the scenes to deliver MMF V3. So that's coming out. They got the V3. And let's see. Spy Power Weekly. The pools are live. So they got some pools going on with Open Ocean right now. I don't see any other partnerships right now, but definitely building during this bear market. Yeah, I mean, it was one of the most parabolic coins actually in the Chronos ecosystem last bull run. So I wouldn't be surprised to see what happens with that. And I see Rashid saying meme coins is gambling. I wouldn't consider MMF a meme coin, but I would also agree with you that meme coins are gambling. That's why if I am gambling with meme coins, then I just like to kind of get in and get out of the position, pretty quick. I like to kind of flip that within, a couple weeks to a month. But here you go. Speaking of meme coins, you see Pepe coin on the sidebar here, still trending 1.91 million tweets. So gambling or not, people are, really getting out there. I just pointed at your post there. Meme coins are gambling, some people say. UCME saying, oh, you think it's funny, my secret? All right. We'll see, guys. We'll see. I'll give you guys the secret. I will reveal at some point. So Juan's saying MMF doesn't communicate with us, and they did a whole bunch of us wrong. Juan, I've seen some concerns. So they're definitely on thin ice with some of the people that were using it, but We'll see if they got their stuff together. I don't know. Personally, VVS, Tectonic, I'm a little more optimistic on those, but MMF certainly had a run, so it's definitely possible. Very bullish on the loaded lines as well. We're excited to do this giveaway. That's all I got, guys. That's all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. Let's look at the chart one more time. Tez says we are still pumping. Let's look. Oh my goodness. Look at this pump. Wow. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Let's go down. Let's go to the 15-minute candles. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, so we're printing another green candle here on the 15-minute chart. Can we get to 8 cents in the next 15 minutes? Look at these 15-minute candles. Look at these 15-minute candles. Are we going to get another move like this? I was not anticipating a move like this. Typically, you know, I see a sideways action move like this, and I think, okay, maybe we kind of retrace back down, come down to 7 cents again. It's certainly possible, guys, but this is looking really tasty. And what's crazy, guys, is Bitcoin's not moving in a crazy big way right now. Let's see how CRO is looking versus Bitcoin. Right about meow. Let's see what we got. So, boom. Look at this. Look at that. Looking good, guys. We are looking really good. CRO is moving, guys. It is about time. That's all I got, guys. We are gonna call it for this one. You know what? I wasn't even showing the screen there. Thank you for the call out. Look at this, guys. You've got CRO right now making some moves. Absolutely spectacular. Really good to see. All these partnerships are coming out, guys. How many subs did we gain today? I don't know, but I think we can gain a couple more subscriptions, UCME, if we just smash up the like button. We should be getting some subs on a day where CRO's pumping. Let's see if this 15-minute candle can stay green, though. We want to see this thing continue to move up. We are looking good right now. We are looking good. Oh, I don't even want to end the stream. Oh, man. Guys, I got dinner to eat. That's all we got. We'll leave it hanging. Let's see. Let me know, guys, in the comments. Can we hit 8 cents tonight? Let me know down below. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time. Peace.